I mean, what's the story? I mean, you got a guy or?
Yes, 3 big ones, and they went blessed.
Her name is Samantha Baker, and today is her 16th birthday.
They forgot my birthday.
Universal Pictures presents 16 Candles.
This is the single worst day of my entire life.
The story of a girl who's stuck with a guy who's driving her crazy. And stuck on a guy she's crazy about.
He doesn't even know you exist.
Do you know Samantha Baker? Kids are looking at me a lot. Maybe she's retarded.
Nothing could shock me anymore.
Underpants.
Can I borrow your underpants for 10 minutes?
Everybody in this family has just gone totally out of limits.
I'll let you take Carolyn home. She's so blitz, she won't know the difference.
Jake, I don't have a car.
You can take mine.
I gotta get out of here before anything else terrible happens.
Everyone she knows is either on her case
Very hot! Very hot!
or out of their tree.
Bonsai!
It only happens once in a lifetime,
This has got to be a joke.
and once is enough.
This is getting good.
16 Candles.